Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use average if function to calculate values. A average if function is used to calculate the average of values according to criteria. It can also be calculated by applying a criteria to a range and then average the values and average the corresponding values. So we have data. In A column, profits are given, and in B column, commission are given. And here we calculate average of profit over 5,000. This is the first condition, and also average of commission for profit over 5,000. So double click here and press equal sign. Now type average if, or you can select from here, double click here, now select the range, and now press F4 for absolute, comma, and now select the criteria, and we have over 5,000. Bracket close and hit enter and get the result. So all the profit which are greater than 5,000 are added, and the average of these is 6,500. Now another method to calculate average, equal sign average and select the range in profit, press F4 for absolute, comma, now criteria is the same, greater than, now select every range, comma, and we have every range, bracket close and press enter. So all the profits which are more than 5,000, the commission are added, this one and this one, and the average is 375. So in this way you can use average function to calculate average of values. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.